Hey guys, I'm so excited to share another video with you today. And today I'm just going to start from the start. I know sometimes that I post videos and then I don't show the whole process like when I started. But in today's video, I'm going to show it so that you can see the whole process. So I had this waste fabric. I was doing some challenge and this was the waste fabric that we were given. And my to-go-to item was the tissue holder, and that's what we are going to make in this video. So we'll just start with prepping the material so that it can be ready, and then we will dive into making of this holder. So guys, if you're new here, please subscribe. But if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And if you want this product, like if you like it at the end of the video and you want to order from me, just click at the end of the video, click at the comment section, and then let me know, and I will be able to give it or to get it to you as long as you are in Kenya, or if you are abroad then kuna shipping pia. So guys, thank you so much and God bless you as you watch.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
So guys, I hope you are still enjoying this video. So at this point I want to fix the handle, so I'm just flipping it and then I sew it, and I'll have now this handle. So you have to make your holes a little bit wider, so that's what I did, and then I fitted the handle, and this is what it looks like, guys. I hope that Maypenda because it looks so pretty. So in the next part of the video we are going to make the shelf, the corresponding shelf. So stick around, guys, please don't go.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side.
So this is what we have for the shelf. You can make it as big as you want. You can even add more shelves to it. Like it's so easy to make. Maybe next time I'll make one that has multiple shelves so that you can know how to make the shelf. So guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and yeah, see you in my next one. God bless you.